If you're watching this and you live here in Windsor-Essex County, you might be feeling it too. The home that once felt full now feels quiet and hard to manage. The yard takes more time. The stairs feel steeper. The repairs never seem to stop. And then there's the emotional side. This is where your life happened. The memories, the holidays, the family moments. I know thinking about downsizing can definitely feel scary, even when you know it might be the right move for you and your family. Here's the good news: downsizing doesn't mean giving up your memories, it means choosing a home to support your retirement. Less upkeep, lower monthly costs, more freedom, and more peace of mind. I'm Kris Ramotar, a local realtor here in Windsor-Essex County. I have helped many homeowners downsize in a calm, simple, no pressure way. We look at what your home is worth, explore one floor homes, condos, and townhomes, and build a plan that fits your next chapter. You don't have to rush, and you don't have to do this alone. I've created a free downsizing and retirement guide for Windsor Essex homeowners just like you. Click below to download it and take the first step when you're ready.